Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go see if we can find some monster trucks today. Do you see any? Whoa, who's that right there? It's Back to the Future. It's a cool AMC DeLorean, or DMC DeLorean. It's pretty neat. Whoa, look at this. It's Chrome Gravedigger. It's pretty neat looking. Whoa. It's Green Zombie. Oh, check this one out. It's Chassis Snapper. It's a snapping turtle on the side of the monster truck. Whoa, who's this one? Gangster. Check this one out over here. It's Shark Reek. It's like Tiger Shark and it's got flames on the side. Oh no, it's Thanos. He's up to no good. It's Camaro. It's a cool Hot Wheels one. It's orange. Oh, it's one of my favorites. It's Bigfoot. It's a big blue monster truck. It's pretty cool. Wow, it's a cool train. Loco Punk. Ooh, it's all fried up. It's the French fried monster truck. It's Bulldozer. Must be cold outside. It's 32 degrees. Oh, check this one out. It's Hotweiler. It's cool yellow tires. What are these over here? Is that Snake? Oh no, it's Cage Rattler. It's pretty cool. It's like a rattlesnake, I guess. And then this is Hissy Fits, another snake. Check that out. Oh, look at this. It's number 68. And then we've got Volkswagen Bus. That's pretty cool. Look at all the monster trucks we found today. We got Chassis Snapper, Gangster, Shark Reek, Loco Punk, 32 degrees, Volkswagen Bus, Hot Wheels number 68, Hotweiler, all fried up, Green Zombie, Chrome Gravedigger, Back to the Future, Thanos, Camaro, Bigfoot, Bulldozer, Cage Rattler, Hissy Fit. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. Which one's your favorite today? I think my favorite's Gangster today. You got gunked. It's just such a cool monster truck. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends.